Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I am happy to share with you our home-cooked food from my Kusina to yours. Welcome to Michelle's Kusina. For today, we will be cooking this rich-tasting creamy pasta recipe. This sure is not your ordinary carbonara. If you want to follow the exact measurements of our ingredients, it is best to prepare them ahead for quick cooking and you won't be missing anything. Here are our ingredients for our creamy carbonara. 250 grams spaghetti pasta, or you may use fettuccine. 1/4 cup Knorr cream of mushroom soup powder. 1/2 cup sliced button mushrooms. 4 strips of bacon. 1/2 cup all-purpose cream, or 1/2 of a 250 ml Tetra Pak. 1/4 of a bar of cheese or more. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 cup milk. You may use fresh milk or evaporated milk. 1/4 cup butter or half a stick. And salt to taste. Let's start first with cooking our pasta. Once the water has briskly boiled, let's add some oil to avoid the pasta from sticking from each other. And let's sprinkle some salt to give it a little taste. Cook your pasta until al dente. Al dente meaning the pasta is cooked but still firm to the bite. Never overcook your pasta because nobody wants a soggy pasta. Just follow the cooking instructions of your pasta package. Usually, pasta is cooked between 8 to 12 minutes. Your timer should start by the time your water has briskly boiled and you added in your pasta. So, it is best that you time your cooking. In a hot pan, let's add in our chopped bacon. What we will do is we will render the fats out of our bacon on low heat. Render meaning we will slowly cook until the fats come out. It has to be on low heat to avoid our bacon from being overly toasted. Let's just wait for the oil to come out until our bacon is crispy. When that's done, let's transfer the bacon with its oil into a bowl first. Because what I will do is I will wipe out the mini bits of bacon that are left in the pan, because those tiny bits will make our sauce darker. Of course, we wanted to achieve a whiter sauce as much as possible. I will pour back some of the oil and half of the bacon. The remaining bacon will be set aside for our toppings later. And let's turn back the heat on. And let's add in our butter. I know we already have the oil of our bacon, but we will still add in butter because butter makes everything better. While our butter is melting, we may now add in our sliced button mushrooms. We just saute. And once the butter has all melted, let's gather the mushrooms and bacon on one side and let's add in the star of the show, our cream of mushroom powder. This time we will make a roux. What is a roux? Roux is a mixture of flour and butter or meat drippings cooked together to thicken sauces. That's why our sauce is special, because we are not only using plain flour, but a cream of mushroom soup powder, which will make our sauce even tasty. Let's add in our full cream milk. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, we will be sharing with you how you can make this recipe as a food business. And to make our sauce extra creamy, let's add in our all-purpose cream. At this time, we can see that our sauce is too thick. So what we will do, we will get some of our pasta water to lighten our sauce a bit. Why am I using pasta water rather than using plain water? Because the salty, starchy water not only adds flavor, but helps combine the pasta and the sauce together, and that results into a richer sauce. Then, just mix thoroughly until well combined. Let's add in some freshly cracked black pepper. I still find my sauce too thick, so I will just finish adding the remaining 1/2 cup of our pasta water. So in total, we added 1 cup of our pasta water. Just mix it properly. Now I am already happy with the thickness of our sauce. It is not too thick and not too light. And let's just grate our cheese over the sauce. And let's just give it time to simmer to melt the cheese. And you may just add salt to taste. And that's it. We will just turn off the heat. And our pasta is also done. Let's drain the pasta. Let's now add our pasta to our super creamy and tasty sauce. Mix well to properly distribute the sauce to our pasta. Look how creamy is that? I know you are drooling looking at this. After watching this video, go and grab your ingredients. You may adjust the quantity of our ingredients if you wish. For example, the cream. We only used half of the pack. If you want it extra creamy, then go ahead and add more. If you want it to be extra cheesy, then go ahead and add more cheese and top it with more bacon bits. But the recipe I am sharing with you is already of the perfect taste for you to be able to sell this at the right price, if ever you plan to make this as a food business. And now we are ready to plate. Let's top it with our bacon bits. And let's end it with a sprinkle of chopped parsley. So come on and let's enjoy a serve of this super tasty, super creamy carbonara. This sure is not just your ordinary carbonara. Bon appetito! I would like to share with you our costing for our creamy carbonara recipe. We may sell this for 80 to 100 pesos per 500 ml tub. Prices may vary according to your location and as to where you will purchase your ingredients. So, adjust costs accordingly. I have already added a 40% production cost to cover up labor, overhead expenses, and packaging, and an additional 30% for markup or profit. So, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time!